Hello everyone. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, whenever you're seeing this video. So let's start trading. I will share my screen and here. Oh, sorry. Um, Hopefully my screen is visible to everyone, right? Let's jump back to this trading world. So basically, what we will do. wha- Let me set the context of this video. Every day I come live similar time like 7:38 or 8:30 sometime like so my aim is to trade for 1 hour daily. Okay, I choose this time because this is the time where US market opens, and I am from India, so for me it is 8 o'clock, as you can see, 20:06. Right, so this is the time that I came live daily. I come live daily. Okay, why I'm talking English? Although I know Hindi, I want to communicate with the wider audience, so I am talking in English. Now, the context of the video that we will punch trades in this demo trade application. Why the demo trade application? Because I am also a learner, right? I'm a full-time software engineer, guys, and I'm a part-time trader. So, why I am trading in the demo account? Because I still am not very much confident, pretty much confident to punch the trade in the real world. Because if I do the same thing and if I incur losses, then it is very hard to recover all those losses, because I am not that much comfortable and confident. And if you're not confident in the market, you will definitely uh, do losses. So though that experience is different, but I don't have the risk appetite right now, so that I know that there are more, there, there are more number of people who have the same scenario, that they didn't have that much of risk appetite. So this application is for me and for them also, right? So you guys just need to sign up in this paperweight.com. So this is the link, and this is the application name, Paperweight. You can get this link in the description box as well, and just click and register it, and you will get $100,000 of free demo money. Please use it wisely, because you will not able to get it again. And my goal is to make this application as real as I can, so that you will get the real world simulation. There's not another trade demo trade application where you just come and punch order by closing your eyes, either east west, north south, left right. Don't do this, because if you lose the money, you will not I will not give you that money until you have to sign up with a new account. Okay, so please use this application as a real world scenario application, because this is so you said that, Vivek, my name is Vivek. So now you'll ask that there is thousands of demo trade application every broker will provide. So what is unique and different in your application? See, if you want to trade in demo trade application that all your broker provides, please, you are free to trade in that application. But one thing that uh, you will see and you will face also, that they will not track your progress. They don't care about your progress at all, because for them demo is also demo. This is side quest for them. But I put this application as a front quest, as not a side quest. This is my goal, my aim, to train you as a full-time trader. So I will give you the exact replica of what happens in the real world trading brokers in the real world trading journey. What you have to follow is these simple rules and discipline, right? So once you finish the demo amount, you will not recover it again, because it's very hard to get it. And the second thing is, you can track your progress. For example, today I haven't done any trade yet, so this is zero. Overall, I can see my progress. Overall, how much trades I punch. So total 39 trades I have punched. Out of them, 12 are in profitable and 27 are losses. So 30% is my win rate. So I am also a poor trader, right? I didn't. Okay, and how can you get that I am poor trader? So I am still in loss. I because I also receive $100,000. But right now, this is what I have right now. I am also in loss, right? And although my best trade is this and my worst trade is this, so I am also in loss and I am still learning. So this is basically, this application tracks your progress, and you can just see your order history as well, like how much, how many orders you have punched. And if you come to analytics, you can just see that there is a monthly chart as well, and you can see that how you're performing monthly wise, how many days you have traded in month, and how in how many days you are profitable, right? You can, so this is basically focused on the new traders who are in college, or performing trades part time after office hours, right? So this is for you. You can just practice in this application a lot, as much as you can. Okay. Oh, sorry. So you can just go to PaprWeight.com and you can see this beautiful website right now. Okay. So it's still in development, and but as of now, it is full ready to serve the purpose. So what we can do is, we let's forget about the application. We can talk in between. So let's find the trade. So what we will do, we will first delete this default EMA. We will uh, this is what I follow in my day-to-day life. So I follow two EMAs, 9 and 15 EMA. So what is the difference between 9 and 15 EMA? Basically, they are, one is more closer to the candle and one is a bit away from the candle. So the one with 15 length is away from the candle, and the one with 9 is close to the candle. And what is EMA? EMA is just the average of previous. So if the length is 9, then then EMA is basically the average of previous 9 candles, right? So this is how EMA is calculated, and 15 is means 15 average of previous 15 candles. So market try to move near to the EMA or away from the EMA, then it will come back to the EMA. So EMA is basically telling you the direction in which the market is moving. So if the EMA are overlapping, then it is sideways. If EMA is in the up direction, then it is market is trendy. If EMA is in downward direction, the market is in bear side, right? So this is basically telling you the in which direction the market is, and we need the direction because we are a scalper. We need where the market is moving. So to know the exact scenario, that to know the picture, or the the scenario that where the market is moving right now, you have to jump in the higher time frame. You have to look from top. So this is top down approach. Basically, you are zooming out the picture and seeing, okay, where the market is moving. And after zooming out the picture, like you can do this 4 hour interval, 1 hour interval, or a day. You can just see that for couple of 4 hours, like couple of days, market is in downtrend. Like for 18th, so today is 21st, 19th Jan, and for the last 2 days, market is in downtrend, and right now it is making a pullback. So this is not considered as a pullback. So after this, there's small buyers present over this candle, over this zone, and they are pushing the market in the up direction. But as you can see, this reached 9 EMA. So there might be a seller present at this EMA, and there it might take a support of EMA and start to push the market in downward direction. So we have to see that, is it in is the market moving in the channel. So we can draw two horizontal lines to see that, okay, this is the buying zone and this is the selling zone. Right now, what market is telling us, this market is trying to move in the channel. So we, as 4 hour, we have to avoid the trading at 4 hour. But as we dig deeper, and and try to zoom out the picture, zoom in the picture, then we can see that there might be opportunity to trade in, right? So this candle will close in 1 hour and 14 minutes, and let's see how this candle will close. And if closes in a downward direction, then we can see that there is a pressure in the downward direction. We can trade in the downward direction, right? If it breaks out in the up direction, then we can take the advantage and put the trade in the up direction. But overall, right now, I am biased towards selling because the momentum, the pressure is in the selling side, and also there is a support on the right now where the candle is forming. Okay, so I am biased towards selling. So if I find in the initial phase, if I find any opportunity in the downward direction, I will short the market. Okay, so this is in Bitcoin. Okay, So let's jump back at 1 hour interval. What is happening at 1 hour interval? And okay, the same thing, but we zoomed in, so we can see that the candle, the size, the number of candle increases, and uh, there is more noise now. So let's see what is happening at 15 minutes interval. So you can see at 15 minutes, this is the see, this is the buying zone, is this blue line that which we drawn from the 4 hour interval, and this is the buying zone. So market move up and they take a pullback, then this is the strong buying. And after this strong buying, market continued the follow up, and it went to 400 point, and until this selling zone. Now market is start now this is taking the resistance of the selling zone and started moving in the downward direction. So we can see that if we can find a quick scalp up till this point, so that we can uh, short the market. So this is 15 minutes time interval. Let's see what is happening in 5 minutes. At 5 minutes, this is at EMA, that there might be a second attempt in the upward direction. So we don't want to get rep. We will not enter directly in this in the selling side, because if we enter directly in the selling side, right? Although like this is the momentum for past 1 hour or 2 hours. So this is in the up direction, and there's a high momentum in the up direction. If we punch the train in the downward direction, then we might get stopped out, because this can make another move in the up direction, and and it checks the extreme high again, or it will come to test this extreme high. So we don't want to get trapped again, and and will eventually fall out in the testing, right? So we will wait for a perfect setup, and we will definitely find a setup, don't worry. Okay, so this is what is right now market is behaving. So we will avoid trading for quite 5 to 10 minutes or 15 minutes here, because the price action is not in our favor right now. Let's see what is happening at Ethereum. So I will do perform the exact same step, and you can also find your steps. This is how I trade. So at 4 hour interval, as you can see that market is on selling side, and then it is pausing, and same as Bitcoin, same thing. And it might be in channel here also. So let me do the basic setups. Although like I will set default setting as EMA. I will try to basically I'm using this free version of TradingView. This is TradingView chart. Okay, so I imported this TradingView chart from the TradingView library, and to to remember all those settings that is personalized by you, uh, it needs some paid subscription, right? So I have to pay TradingView some amount of fees to. Right now, this is free chart. If I use paid chart, then it will give me more options to save your personalized chart, right? uh, Definitely I will do it as soon as as the number of users increases, and if demand increases, I will definitely buy the premium chart. And for that I will also charge you guys also, because I'm paying them. Then I will not charge like extreme high, extreme low, something like. I will charge almost exact what I'm paying to trading view. So I don't want to charge you a lot. um, Basically I'm thinking about the plans, that uh, what I will put, because some of the features are really hard to build, and it will take a lot of time and lot of effort, lot of R&D. So but I'm promised that the plans that I will come up with will not exceed your one time meal price. So it will be way cheaper than your one time meal price, maybe 100 and 150 rupees a month, something like that. So I'll come up with. I will see that. I will see the what the cost of operation. Uh, uh, okay, forget about that thing, and let's jump in. So this is 4 hour interval, and market is in lower lows in 4 hour. Right now it is in the sideways range and consolidating. So we will avoid trading in this range, and we can see that uh, this is also the range. Sorry, just press Z for some reason. This is also the range that market stuck in Ethereum. So yeah, okay. All those 1 hour interval that this candle made a big big green candle, which will shake the confidence of all the sellers who short their position, because this green candle is wiping them out and squaring and and forcing them to square up their positions, so that it will continue higher and highs. If it continue higher and highs, we can jump in the long side. We will respect the market where the market is moving, but right now it is facing rejection from the top, right? So I got exhausted because I've been continuously talking for 13 minutes now. 30 minutes is lot less time, so it's so I think I'm continuously speaking for more than 13 minutes, 15 minutes, right? It's fine, guys. So yeah, for the past 1 hour, it is in higher rise, and right now it is at EMA. It might make another move toward this point, and then try to come down, or if it breaks this point, then it will come. Uh, then it will go higher and highs, and we will definitely jump in trade. Right now, there is no trade because we don't know in which direction the market tries to follow or try to jump in. Although, like at higher time frame, the market is in downward direction, but as the pictures zoom in, and then you can see that market in at lower time frame, market in higher highs. So um, we can also punch the trade and up and try to get up till this point. Okay, let's see. Still 2 minutes to close this candle, and let's see what is happening at Solana. So at Solana, you can just see that at 4 hour interval, Solana is at, oh wow, Solana is at same picture as Ethereum and Bitcoin. So Solana is also following the same footsteps as of their siblings, and yeah. Yeah, bro. So Solana is at higher highs, and it might make another move in the up direction. So we can trade either in Ethereum. So I am interested in and jump in the long side, in the upside. Also, like I said that I am interested in selling in the higher time frame, but at shorter time frame, you can see that it is set up in the up direction. So let's see what our stop loss look like, because before jumping in the trade, we have to see that how much amount that we are willing to lose. So stop loss is around $180, which is quite manageable to me. So I can take a risk of 180 $150, and I will target up till this point. But I have to see where Bitcoin is, where Bitcoin is also can reach up till this point. So yeah, so why not to take a small risk, guys? And although like previous two candles are doji candles, and it is uh, it is not giving us full confidence, but let's see what stop loss looks like. So it's 10 points now. So 10 points is a maximum stop loss. We can't jump in 10 points. We will not jump directly. We will see that market will make a down tick as well, or let's wait for the market to come to this EMA. So still 4 points. And if we find that there is a high risk, then we can just jump in with half quantity. So 15 is basically a good quantity, and the amount of stop loss that is 90 points. So 15 6 90, right? So the So I jumped in the long side with 15 points, and let's see what my orders look like. So 2979, 2979.11, 2979 short position, sorry, long position, 2979, 2979.11, 2979.11. So somewhere here, and my stop loss would be at this point, 8.15. So 8 point stop loss is my stop loss, and I will definitely target this point. Okay, so this is my target, and this is my stop loss, and the stop loss is around 180, like $120, 120, $130, and the target is open. Target is around. Um, let's see how much we can book it, but I'm a bit interested in the upside. All right. So I took the trade in the up direction, just by seeing the price action. The price action is basically in the up direction, and the first target is at 16 points. The second target is at this point. Yeah. So stop loss is very clear. Stop loss is 120 points. So we will maximum the stop loss that we can take is 120 points. And just give me a minute. I'm just getting my water. Let me see that I am live or not. Yes, guys, I am live. And let me hit like also, because you guys will not hit like. I have to promote myself, and I have to push myself until you guys come and supporting me. So initially you are whatever the battle you are fighting, you are alone. So this is same thing. Okay, after seeing $100 profit, we are back to $30. The candle is not good. This candle is closed in the dozy candle and then in the downward direction. Okay, so I think the trade is approaching towards SL. Not an issue. Okay, so we are at CTC again, cost to cost at our entry point. Okay, so remember our stop loss is at 120 points. Okay, and our target is, what is this, 22 points, 15, around 300 points. So we will book around $300 if the market moves in our direction, and we are happy to give $120 to the market if it didn't went in our direction, right? Right now this is struggling, or at this particular point, so it need one big candle in the up direction. What happens if market pauses for more than 15 minutes or more than 20 minutes, then it tries to do the opposite thing, because the exhaustion, there is, if the momentum is in up direction and there is, and it's stopped for quite some time, then all the buyers get exhausted or they soon give up, and the exhaustion means that there is a gap, there is a opportunity for sellers to jump in. So this is the second time the market is trying to move in the up direction. Sometimes we have to literally, this is very boring process, guys, for the, like although like it seems exciting from outside, but when you jump in and when you see that is the trade is possible or not, or am I got trapped, or, so this is a really boring process, and you have to guys, one thing is very clear, that if market cross come to this point, right, or this point, then I will decrease the stop loss, because there is no point in taking stop loss from there. So I will put my stop loss as cost to cost, so there is nothing to lose in that particular trade. Only if, the only thing that, either we get experience or we get the target. Okay, so it's the fourth time the market is moving in that direction, and the candle is quite good, it closed quite good. Still 56 seconds, anything can happen in 56 seconds, but I'm hoping that it will close in the upside only. Also my stop loss depends on the, right now I'm decreasing the stop loss to this EMA. So so it is basically $75 stop loss now, because if it, because it it tried almost four times, and if it is not able to break in the four times, then there might be a big seller presented here, and it might, so the close, see, anything can happen, and still this candle is not good, guys, so I just stopped out my trade trade in this. So I booked around $18 loss, because after seeing this candle, this is not a good candle, and it might make another red candle in the downward direction. So I just stopped out at $18. uh, I will, okay, I will definitely jump in again if I find a good candle to proceed. Okay, as soon as I jumped out from the trade is performing good, because the candle is not good, right? So Let's see. So I booked my first loss at $18. Or like it is very, it is cost to cost only. Bad luck, guys. As soon as I stopped out my trade, market is moving the expected direction that it has to move. But I just stopped out my trade by seeing that red candle because it is getting rejection several times. And as soon as I punched out my trade, see how the market is moving. Bad luck for me. Still, I will see that how my demo trade work. I should have waited for my stop loss. Now it is hurting, bro. It is hurting too much. By now, we should have been crossed $200 profit. Never mind, it's part of game. We have to learn from this because whatever the stop loss you have decided, just wait for the market to prove you wrong until you are wrong because you already decided that you are wrong and the market is not saying. Market is saying no, bro, you are not wrong. Your your analysis is right. You just have to stuck with your process, but you gave up on your process and you just wiped out your trade. Uh if this candle reaches the target now, I literally cry. What is happening in Bitcoin? Oh, Bitcoin breaked out. Nice, nice. So if Bitcoin broke out, Then it's an opportunity, guys, for all the buyers, because at 15 minutes, see the buying pressure, guys. If at 15 minutes, it's abnormal, and this kind of pressure leads to new momentum in the up direction. So we are biased in the up direction now. Okay, Ethereum is also reaching the target almost. What is happening? Solana is too much bullish, bro. Oh my God, see the strength of Solana performing like anything, bro. So Bitcoin, Ethereum should have given the target try up till now, but it is teasing. After this struggling phase, market. This is unexpected candle, guys. Market broke off 440 points, guys. So this literally pissed off anyone who, because most of the buyers have just punched their tail after seeing this candle, and this rejection and the closing of this candle is super super scary for all the buyers. And this candle didn't went a single tick down. It just started from here and went up straight. Solana, what are you doing, bro? Still 1 minute and 1 minute and 50 seconds to close this candle. Okay. Solana is reaching its target almost to like how many points left? Only 8 points left, guys. Okay, market is breaking out very good momentum in the up direction. It should reach the target. It will definitely reach the target. Nice. Will not directly enter here. We will wait for a pullback if the market is trying to give the pullback. Otherwise, if this momentum is really huge, right, then it will not give a pullback soon. It will continue in higher highs. Yeah, see, the target is achieved. Bro, Ethereum, what is this, bro? Yeah, you should have you should have taken me with you. Hmm? The analysis is right. I have punched my trade also after seeing the scandal, and you just scared me with the scandal, bro. You scared me with the scandal. That's not good. And you given the target, but I am not in the trade anymore. Very hurtful. Nice. Easy, easy $300. Okay, and, forget about it. Forget about it. Market will give you the opportunity again. Okay. So the lesson that I learned is you just have to stick to your stop loss. Okay. Got it. Uh, right now, I don't think so. Either of the market is trying to give uh, entry. So they will not give entry you. Well, they will not give you entry. They will. They are running in the up direction. They're climbing ladders, but they will not give you entry anymore. So, what do you want to just look at the market to go in higher highs? Is it possible to get an entry at 1 minute? Okay, so we will enter at 1 minute, and as soon as we know there is no point in getting entry in 1 minute also. Solana is extremely high. Wow, unbelievable candle, Solana. Bitcoin is not giving us entry. I'm just seeing that is there entry available in what 1 minute or not? No, no, not at all. Not interested. Market said I'm not interested. Taking you in up direction. So you can do. You can't do anything just to look at this market. Sad momentum. Sad guys. Sad. Mhm. Is it coming down? This is a really down move. Is a pullback or not? Okay, so at 1 minute, Ethereum market is giving a pullback and Solana. Okay, Solana is already at pullback. So if we try, we can jump. Uh, So okay, every cryptocurrency have the pullback at 1 minute time frame. Or is it a trap for all the buyers? Okay. What will be the stop loss if I try to jump in at 3.3 minute interval? 220 point stop loss, guys. 220 points is way more than my stop loss. Okay. 150 points. Yeah, 150 points is something that we can take. 50% of this candle is somewhere here, right? At 15 minutes, it is making a dozy candle. Still 6 minutes to go. And at 5 minutes, you can just see that it is a pullback. Uh, I will definitely wait a bit more because at 3 minute you can see that this is a nice pullback, and first stop loss should be at 121 points. So I will definitely jump in. There's 3 more seconds to go. 5 minute. What is happening? 1 minute. One more minute to go. Close this candle in 5 minutes. 3 minute. It's still already closed this candle as a pin bar candle. So what we can do? This is a great entry in the up direction. So jump in over here. Let's see. 5 minutes. 5 minute is not convincing me enough. 3 minute is convincing me, but I have to see the stop loss as well. Stop loss is 113 points. What 5 minute is telling me is still 7 seconds to close this candle. Okay. So okay, so it's going down again. Was 5 minute candle just to try to make the momentum down, and then 113 points is something that 15 minutes is just there. It is closing as a dozy. That is not a good sign at what is happening at Ethereum. 15 minutes. Okay, at 15 minutes in Ethereum, it faces strong rejection, guys. So this is not a good. This might be a trap that all the buyers might get trapped. Or in Solana, and Solana also, like you can see that, oh, in Solana you can see that it's basically see the, this can act as a trap system as well. So we should wait a bit more. This is it is really necessary, guys, you to see every time frame and see that how market is performing at every time frame, right? So at 5 minute, at 3 minute, you can see that there is a chance that you can take on, but 5 minutes and 15 minutes are not convincing enough. Because in Solana, you can see that in 15 minutes, there's an extremely down move, and this might continue. Still 3 minutes to close, so it might continue till here. Ethereum also, like at 15 minutes, you can just see that it is, and in Bitcoin, you can just see that it's making. So 3 minutes, as you can see that this is actually, is it a trap? Is it a trap, guys? To all the buyers who jumped in and the market is now trapping them. As you can see from this point, market had fallen almost 300 points. Well, this is very good. This is literally a good pullback. So this market didn't move in the single direction. It will definitely make a pullback, and it wiped out all the buyers, all these buyers. Now, okay, nice. Because at 15 minutes, you can see that this is how market is behaving at 15 minutes. It, see, after this great momentum, market shouldn't it should not crash instantly, but it will definitely try another chance. That what I feel that it, it has to give another try in the other direction, and if it give another direction and another try, then it will be a, just it will be a pullback only. So I, okay, nice. Market had had a pullback. Now this is 200 points stop loss, so we can jump in. I think so. Let's see what is happening in 3 minutes. Don't jump in running candle. Let's give the chance to a candle to close, because the market is not going anywhere. It's just to giving indications, and you have to understand the hint of the market. 3 minutes. Okay, so market. So it the candle has closed in big red candle. So this is a scary candle for all the buyers who jumped in, and they might be covering their stop losses and squaring of their positions. So 50, more than 50% of this candle is this. So we will jump in from at this point, and stop loss would be at 200 points. So it would be nice. We will jump here. I'm reading it. Okay, nice. It is moving up. That is good thing. Moving down again. 4738. So it is trading at a specific number 90,000. 90,000 is a round number, right? So it came back to 89,000 again. 89,963. Basically, I am willing to take position in the upside, but just I am bit worried. Okay, I jumped in the upside. Let's see where I put my trade. 90,068. 90,068. 68 is 6668. This. Okay. So let me draw the long position again from this point. My stop loss would be at this point, below this candle. 163 point is my stop loss, and my target would be high of this candle, like 1:4 is fine. Okay, let's see. Good. The candle close in the good condition. So we will definitely hold this trade. Our stop loss is at $150, and our target is around more than $300. At least one issue to has to be taken care. Okay, so it is giving us a pullback again. Let's see. We'll take a small stop loss. Don't worry about it. But if we are right, then we can take a big profit for sure. We will not satisfy with the small profits. Just wait. Just wait. Patience is the key, guys, in this trading world. Just wait. Let's keep the market playing its dance. Just enjoy the dance of the market. Up, down, up, down. Okay, so we are reaching at cost to cost again. Nice. So again, I am reminding you that my stop loss is $150 and my target is more than 300 $400. Okay. So right now we entered in the negative in the red zone. Okay, so we are approaching towards stop loss and let's put my pointer to this cross and I will take the stop loss as soon as my stop loss will hit. And after seeing this candle, it is very sure that stop loss will get hit. So I jumped out my trade at $128 stop loss. So yeah, see the stop loss has hit. Now we will uh, try our entry in the downward direction, guys, because as you can see that after this momentum in the up direction, this is where the trader traps. So this is a trapping candle in of all the long sides, and this green candle just gave the hope uh, for all the buyers. Or like there's a trend line. Let's see if the market will respect this trend line or not. And if it didn't respect the trend line, then there is a possibility that market will move in the downward direction. I'm preparing my order again because there's a I punched my order in the upside again. Let's see where my order get punched. 90,025. So long position 90,025, 90,025 somewhere here again. My stop loss would be at $150 again. So this is my stop loss. Same target again. Okay. So I think it will give us a stop loss. Okay. 100. So it's basically respecting its support at this trend line, but there is a rejection from the upside as well. Well, this is the selling zone, right? And market is stuck in this selling zone, and it is really testing. My stop loss is really small, like $150 only, but now it is cost to cost. Okay, so it went to $7 down. Okay, so let's put our fingers on this cross icon, and because it's very critical point where market is trading right now. This might be a last trade if it closes in the stop loss. Otherwise, we will do one more trade if this trade succeeds. Okay, let's see. Come on, you can do it. Just break out, guys, break out. Good. Again, candle close in the very hopeful candle. Let's see. Let's not get very overwhelmed with this candle. I'm coming. I'm just coming. Okay, still cost to cost. Um, our stop loss is pretty much defined, guys. So our stop loss is $150, and our target is around $300 to $400. Let's see. Whatever we will see, will take it. Something is stopping, something's preventing at this particular area. Someone is here. Someone is here, guys. Who is someone? Sellers, obviously. Okay, so now we are not taking any. I'm minimizing the risk, so our risk is around below of this candle. So $60 risk. Nothing. We will not take more than $60 risk in this trade. If it will not work, it will not work. Either if it work from here, it will work from here only. Now we will not take any stop loss over here. I'm just putting this candle over here. We will at least book some kind of profit, but will not definitely not take anything in losses. Still 200 more points to gain. We'll wait. We'll wait. Pausing. It's pausing here. But we will wait for our target. That's for sure. I will not coming out of this trade in between. I will definitely wait for my target. This is how I am building my psychology. I'm training my mindset that you just have to hold. Either either book your target, or just book your stop loss, or come get out cost to cost. Doesn't matter. For bigger targets, you have to wait. You have to train your mindset. Mindset is all about everything, because I'm not booking any small stop loss, sorry, small profits. I'm waiting. I'm Because I waited a lot for this trade. I stopped out in two trades as well. I waited for this trade, and if I waited for this trade, I will make the most out of this trade. Otherwise, I will definitely close at 100 points or 50 points, something like that. But I will not take the small losses, small profits. My decided profit is around $450, $500, and I will definitely wait for my estimated profit, because if this is a real move, then moving 300, 400, 500 points is not a big deal for the market. Market is here to give you a lot. You just have to think big. If it hits your stop losses, then it's fine. You will find another opportunity. It's fine. But getting out from the market and taking pennies, then it is trading is not for you guys, because market has so much to give you. So much, literally have so much. It is the oceans of opportunity, guys. And it just test your patience. And as of now, I am not seeing any zone that bothers me right now. So why to take oh sorry, why to take all profits, right? Still 30 seconds to go to close this candle, and I'm a bit interested how this candle will close. So this is basically the inside candle in this big green candle, and there might be a profit booking of by the buyers, and if it is a real move after because it came after 15-20 minutes, then if it is a real move, then there if they are big players, then they must be seeing this it as a discounted price, and they might take this as a another long run. It depends on the buyers, how the buyers mindset looks like. Okay, now I can see that there is a zone again, so forget about the zone. There is a zone over here right now. So this is little seller zone right now. Market is struggling to cross this zone. And must be the buyers must be shifted at this point, hopefully. So this is a pullback, guys, and as a trader, this is the mindset. This is what you are training for. You are training for. You are not training for the targets, wins, stop losses. You are training. You are training your mindset for pullbacks, because see, this is the how emotions work. If you are having, oh no, if you are having great run in the profit side, and you're not booking your profit, that means uh, you might have to face, see, this is this is how you have to face pullbacks, and this is a really big pullback, right? I will cut my trade cost to cost. I don't care about the trade at all. I'm interested in the journey, actually. So how this candle formation have done, what made people fear, what made people greedy, what made everyone to approach this trade, how they exiting their position, how they booking their profits. So this red candle that you are seeing right now on the screen is basically the profit booking candle. So after reaching at this end, and at that red zone, market tried. So I will cut my trade at cost to cost at 10 $20, something like that. But after seeing this big red candle, there might be a possibility that it will make another red candle in the downward direction, and it's perfectly fine. So I closed my trade in the $5 losses, lost because see, the length of this candle is fallen around 256 points. and I cut my trade cost to cost. So today I took three trades and all of them are in losses. Okay. Okay, I think it's already close 1 hour and 14 minutes. So basically, I didn't book my profit, although like it crossed 300 points several times, because I'm interested in booking my profits at 500 points, and it's fine. So that's the psychology that I'm training for. Either I will take the stop losses, or I will cut the trade cost to cost, or I will book profit. So what it did is it making uh, so there are sellers. So the heavy sellers are presented here. So right now we have to avoid trading in the upside because doesn't feel safe to trade in the upside right now. Actually we captured this entire momentum till this point, 332 points, 313 points. See you guys. See you tomorrow. I'm just closing this session for today. Hopefully you like this video. The You might ask why you are not booking a profit. Actually, I'm training my mindset like this only, and see, I have to make big chunks of money. I don't care about the small chunks. So this is my trading style, and I am trading like this only. So um, you can find me stupid over here also. Like it's fine, but okay, nice. I'm closing this session for today. Bye, bye, guys. See you tomorrow.